Evening, everybody. We got the truck back a little while ago. I just woke up. Gotta leave here in about an hour and a half or so. I need my water. Um, Vivian and Rhonda, you guys asked about, why can't we put Wilma out to pasture until we get her issues fixed? Um, the thing is we don't know what issues she has. Other than the motor mount. Right now, we know about that one. Um, the leaking stuff, you fix a leak like we just did, and we tested everything. We ran it, put it under pressure. We ran it up and got it good and warm so the thermostat opens and let it flush through the system. Nothing else leaked. So you don't know about a leak until it happens. And that's all you can do. Now with Wilma, every other week something leaks. And it's a pain in the ass. Um, yeah, you just don't know until it happens. And that goes with most things, like the motor mount. You don't know it's going until it goes. Now, this being the fourth time, we need to find out what the hell. We know Peterbilt motor mounts uh, are bad. Or at least they were at this time when this truck was built. We know they made an upgrade, but the upgrade won't fit this truck. I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's because of what motor is in it or what. That's just what I was told. So yeah, and it goes with any truck. You don't really know what the issue is until it happens. This motor mount right now, we know that it's a temporary fix right now. So we know we got to fix that again when we get to Boise. But like the leaks, you don't you don't know that's going to happen until it happens. You try to keep an eye on things and make sure everything's tight and all your clamps and everything. But they happen. The one that happened last night, uh, there was a slit in the hose, like it got cut, and it was just spewing everywhere. It was a mess. You have no way of knowing that's coming. So you try your best, but shit happens. I mean, you try to. There are things that you can prevent, like tires. You can keep an eye on your tires, keep in proper pressure, make sure the tread's good. Make sure you look at them every day. Make sure they're not wearing funny or anything. You try not to run anything over. It's going to tear up a tire. Somebody, that mechanic that worked on the hose last night, the one that went to the hospital and left me kind of screwed. He he sent me pictures today. I guess he sent them to the wrong person, but somebody had blown both inside and outside tires on a set of drives. And from the look of the tires, they ran something over. Uh, and it blew both tires. It tore them up. But yeah, he sent me those pictures today. It was funny. So yeah, I mean, there's certain things you can prevent. You keep an eye on your oil and your coolant. You look for anything that's leaking, but you don't know it's going to leak until it does. And with the coolant, there's so many places it can leak. There's so many hoses on this freaking truck. So many clamps. Leaks can happen anywhere. It's like with wiring. When you get a short can go anywhere. And it's like with my AC short, who knows where it's at? It could be anywhere. That thing about electrical though, it doesn't leak out on the ground and tell you where it is. Oh. Anyway, just getting up. Like I said, we gotta leave here about an hour and a half. I screwed up when I went to roll in the damn shop. I fucking put myself in violation. Boss is pissed. I'm pissed. And that's what could cost me my job. Fuck. Another fucking violation. Ugh. Anyway, so we're gonna just hang out for a little bit, get ready to roll, eat something, get woke up, get some coffee. Sorry I've been such a downer the last 2 days, but I've just been aggravated with this truck. Tired. Got some other stuff on my mind. So, sorry if I've been a downer. Anyway, hopefully things will get better tonight. We're still 2,200 miles away. 2,250 to Boise. So, yeah, we're gonna have to get there Tuesday at all. We're really gonna have to push. I hate being late. And that's going to drive me nuts the rest of the week. Anyway, you guys have a good night. And I'll catch up with y'all in the morning. Good night.